Photoshop just released this crazy new feature that lets you rotate static images, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it. So this new feature is currently only available in Photoshop Beta. So to try it for yourself, head over to Creative Cloud, go to Apps, and make sure you've got the latest version of Photoshop Beta installed. So jumping into Photoshop Beta, I'm going to paste in my image, and we're going to start by selecting our subject. So once our subject is selected, I'm going to hit Command J on the keyboard, and that's going to create a new layer with our subject isolated. Now, if you don't have your contextual taskbar selected, you can go up to Window, scroll down to the bottom, and make sure you have contextual taskbar with a little tick beside it. So we can turn off our original image, and you can see we have our shoe now isolated. And I'm just going to hit Command T to transform our image, and you'll see we now have this new button here called Rotate Object. So I'm going to select this, and it's going to take a minute to load. But after that, you should see these new rotate controls. And just like that, we can now rotate our image to any angle that we want. And what I also love about this tool is we can also adjust the perspective to create some really cool dynamic angles. And so once you're happy with your new angle, simply click Done, and it's now going to process our image. So after that's done, I'm just going to scale this up, press Enter, and you can either export this as a PNG, or you might want to bring it back onto your original image. So to do that, I'm just going to hide our edited image, and we're going to create a selection over the shoe here. And then all we have to do is simply click Remove. Oh, and make sure that you've got the right layer selected. Then click Remove. And so that's going to remove that image from our background. And then we can simply bring back in our new image. So this new feature is great for creating dynamic product shots for your website and designs.